Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing your timeline and color pipeline. Open Project Settings, switch to ACES or Davinci Color Science, and choose a Dolby Vision compatible timeline color space so grading maps correctly. Once done, import source clips that retain HDR metadata. Proxy transcodes strip HDR, so avoid them. Make sure your monitoring path is set to a Dolby Vision capable output device or a validated HDR reference to see accurate PQ/HLG behavior. Now you move into the color page and enable the Dolby Vision panel. This is where you create trims and target mastering display parameters. You'll grade as usual, then use the Dolby Vision controls to set targeted nits and apply trims that adapt highlights and shadows for different displays. Make sure to perform user trims per shot and save them as presets so Dolby's metadata can reference them. While grading, watch both your HDR reference and a simulated SDR/low-nit preview to confirm intent across outputs. Finish by rendering a Dolby Vision master, typically IMF or HEVC with embedded Dolby Vision metadata, and generate a metadata report for QC. Upload or package the mezzanine file as required by delivery specs. Make sure the exported file retains the profile and trims you created. If you encounter problems, first validate your monitor LUTs and display calibration, then reset the Dolby metadata and reapply trims. Often mismatched LUTs or incorrect timeline color space are the root causes, and rechecking those fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.